Hi, Cheryl Patton here from CherylsArt on Zazzle, and I want to share with you some fun painting opportunities that are at my Cheryl's Art store on Zazzle. This one here is a Halloween pumpkin, and there are lots of other designs to choose from too. But this one here is my drawing that I had printed out on photo canvas, and it comes flat, and then you fold it up. They send you the things to seal the edges with, and they already have a pre-cut hanging option for you. And so then it has a nice big wide edge. So this is a great opportunity for anybody really, and especially for kids. For under $20, you can get a nice design printed on the faux wrap canvas, and it is lightweight, so don't have to worry about it crashing to the ground or any glass breaking. So anyway, I'll share a link for that below if you're interested in ordering that for anybody. This is the painted version that I did, but the outline drawing is what's printed on the faux wrap canvas, so that you can paint in any colors and designs that you want on it. The pumpkin design and the leaves and the stump, tree stump are all there, and then you can do your own shading, highlights, colors. There's no scheme to follow. So again, that's the faux wrapped canvas. I also am currently working on, this is the wrapped canvas. This is part way through. I've been doing acrylic painting in the background, and in the foreground it's also going to be acrylic painting but with thicker paint, so I can make that look more vibrant and out front. So you can see how the outline drawings are already there, and then you can paint it in. Like these trees, you can do the shading any way you want. It is just the outline drawing of the trees, bushes back there. There are lines marking off the cinder block in the background, so you can follow those if you want, or paint it over with white and then paint it to be anything that you want. Maybe you want a wooden fence, and you can create things however you would like. This is just the base layer for the grass, so that's not finished yet. And then we have a wooden fence pole and the wooden board that goes across, and then of course the birds are having a meeting. And this drawing actually came from birds sitting on the deck fence rail out in back of my house, and it looked like they were just having a meeting. I thought that was so cute, so I decided to make that a drawing and paint it. So I did the drawing, and then I'm painting the drawing that I ordered by hand. This here is a nice heavy-duty wooden frame. It's around 1.5 inches width on the frame part. It already comes with the teeth on the back for hanging, so it's got a nice weight to it. And again, this is the wrapped canvas as opposed to the faux wrapped canvas that is the lighter weight. This is much heavier, so something that you really want to last and put a lot of time and effort into, I would recommend the wrapped canvas. And I will put a link down in this one. There are other drawings also available in my store. And also, I was thinking of making these birds different colors instead of all the same color. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you later. Okay, you have a great day. Bye.